Hi friends, welcome to a Tasty Tuesday video. It has been a long time since we have done one and I'm so excited to do this one for you guys. Rachel decided that she wanted to do a healthy snack idea for you guys and I thought that was a fantastic idea. The only problem was I had no idea what I was going to make. So I am winging it and I thought this might be a fun, easy treat for you guys and I hope you like it. I will be making some frozen yogurt bites and what you will need is some crushed up cornflakes, some cinnamon sugar. I'm using a chopped up banana, just one. You can use any kind of fruit you'd like chopped up. It'd be really, just any fruit would be fine. And then I am also using the Tillamook vanilla bean yogurt. Of course, you can use a healthier option and get Greek yogurt, but I honestly absolutely love the Tillamook vanilla bean yogurt. It tastes amazing. So I'm using that. Now, preferably to use a silicone mold would be great. It'd be probably a little bit easier, but I couldn't find my silicone mold anywhere. So I am using my egg holder from the Dollar Tree and it worked just fine. All right, guys, so let's get to making this delicious treat. Alright, so I'm just going to start by crushing up this cornflakes in this bag even more. I separated some of it and put it in a small bag because I'm going to save the other amount for another recipe. And now I'm adding the cinnamon sugar. It's all shaken up and mixed in here. And now I'm just going to add it to my mold. And here it is. I just put about this much. The rest, there's going to be some left over. That's just not going to work, but you know. Anyway, so here's a banana. I chopped it up in little pieces. And then I'm going to be putting some of this vanilla bean yogurt in this bowl. And now I'm going to add the chopped bananas. And now I'm mixing it all up. It looks all nice and good and mixed up perfectly together. And now I'm just going to add them to the mold. I'm just going to fill it to the very top of like the top of there, like just like this. And it's going to be a little messy. Just can't get around it. I put the lid on it and then put it in the freezer. And I'm going to freeze it for about 2 to 3 hours. And now it's been 2 to 3 hours. And here we go. This is how it should look. And oh my goodness, you guys, it is so tasty. So I took them out to show you what they look like on the plate. And there is a little bit cornflakes still left in there. Of course, you could probably mix it all up in one bowl with the cornflakes for texture. But I think this turned out really good just the way it is. So yeah, try any fruit you'd like. I am a huge banana fan, so I used banana and I absolutely love it. It is so delicious. So if you guys like this, give me a thumbs up and head on over to Rachel's channel, Live, Laugh, Love Mommy, after you watch this and watch what she has made and give her a thumbs up and subscribe to both of us if you could, and that'd be wonderful. And we'll see you guys again in our next videos. Thank you so much for watching and stay tuned for more to come. Bye now.